Hi there. We are back again with another short video explaining more phrasal verbs and their meanings. He's a smart cookie means that he is clever or intelligent. It's a colloquial way of saying someone is bright or astute.
He's a smart cookie. He always finds clever solutions to problems.
Saying he is full of beans means he is lively, energetic, or excited.
Despite his quiet demeanor, when discussing his favorite subject, he's full of beans.
He is the big cheese means that someone is very important or influential in a particular situation.
He is the big cheese at the company, leading all the important decisions.
I have bigger fish to fry means that you have more important or pressing matters to deal with than whatever is being discussed or suggested.
I can't focus on minor details right now. I have bigger fish to fry.
Pull yourself together is a common English expression that means to regain control of your emotions or behavior.
After the breakup, she took a moment to pull herself together before facing her friends.
To be on the fence means to be undecided or unsure about something, like being stuck between two options and not choosing either one.
She's on the fence about whether to accept the job offer or pursue further education.
Shake it off means to let go of negative feelings or experiences and move on without letting them affect you.
After the tough meeting, she decided to shake it off and focus on the rest of her day.
To go down in flames means to fail or be defeated in a spectacular or disastrous way.
Despite their ambitious plans, the project went down in flames due to poor management.
Hold your horses is an informal phrase meaning wait or be patient. It's often used to tell someone to slow down or not to rush into something.
Hold your horses. We can't make a decision until we have all the facts.
If you have found this video helpful, then remember to like, comment and subscribe for more videos on British language terms.